There we are. Okay, let's just do that again. Got it, dude. You got it, dude. There we go. Okay, whatever, man. Whatever. Computa. As promised, I'm going to be yelling at the computer and talking trash. Oh, right. Internet homepage. And of course I'm out of focus. Okay, whatever. It's funny using like a tiled window thingy on your daily driver and then like switching to a Mac or something like that, where it's like not tiled and then you're like confused. Anyway. Okay, that's my water time. All right, where was I? Internet homepage. Suppose I should show that. So I'm just putting up my little teensy tiny baby, this guy. What's it called? Freaking. What's the word? It's a damn marketing site for me, and all the things I do. What I need to do is I need to rearrange this mat. Ooh, here, I'll make those bigger. This guy on the left. I don't like, okay, so. This is all. Okay, so what I should do, actually, this actually all belongs here. Whew. So this is SAS, just FYI. I feel like? I want like some kind of like procedural, like music adjacent thing that is not really, because it doesn't have to be anything. Like that's the thing, is like it doesn't have to like be music. It just has to be kind of like it. Anyway, that's my wish. Okay. So, also, I generally do not do um, like I don't do class names as a rule because you don't have to. Whole thing called the symbol management problem. Did I say website? Let's make some real bastard CSS, though, that's for damn sure. Like this can probably come out, right? Whew. Can you use FR in Flex? Is it just grid? Hey. Quarter. I didn't know that. Quarter millimeter? The thing about CSS, it's so freaking huge. So they're just like not a damn relative length units. A length. HMX. I see. One height. Root elements rem. The heck? Viewport percentage length, small, large, dynamic, and default up. Huh? Block axis. Container query length units. Okie dokie. CQ max. But like, what is it? What is the FR unit? This, what do you call that? Oh, is FR a fixed repeat? But it doesn't have that. Damn. What do you call that? Fixed. Length percentage. Fixed repeat. Is that what FR stands for? Fixed repeat. Integer 1. Repeat. No. Number token. Fine, let's just go into grid template columns. Get to the damn grammar. Okay, non-negative mentions the unit FR. The flex CSS data type, okay. Oh dear. Why is it that every time I turn this on in the afternoon, I'm like instantly tired. And I'm like, I'm fine. Turn on the stream and like, bleh. is stupid. And my feet are incredibly cold. Because despite the temperature saying it's 25 degrees, it is emphatically not 25 degrees in here. Cybernetics. Okay, so I guess this magical flex data type looks like within a grid container, that's all it does. Whelp. Whelpity whelpity whelp. Where are we at here? Yeah, these are like, this is not right. Not right. Right. This is all like, well, font weight and font size maybe should be in here. This is like, this we don't need. So many M's, that's a lot. I don't know why I picked that number. I don't know why it's M's and not rims. I don't know if that actually matters in this context. Thing about CSS is it's like you want to chop it, or I don't know, you want to chop it up, but so this should stay. This can go. Or this is all just like in the header anyway. If I'm not mistaken, it looks different for a smaller screen anyway. All this flex stuff really needs to like go and live in the other thing. It's like the margins and stuff too. Like, yeah. Ugh. Oh God, why? It's like freaking magic every time. This stays. This needs to stay. These go. Oops. Oh, God. This can stay. This goes. This goes. That stays. I mean, the flex. That's what I think about that. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Main article. Do you know what we need? We just need them both. We need it in two places on the screen. Main. I'll just like main. Is it bigger than main? Yes. And then we do. Article. Huh. Section. And then in here we have, what do we have? Section div. Section. Same guys. Section. Then we got this, we got H2. That's where the flex goes. And then what? P form. The flex goes again. This is the upper one we're looking at, so this is going to go here. What am I doing? Oh my God. Dumbass. 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 Section specifically. Got div rule. God. the group doing again? I don't even remember. I think what I'll do is, no, I won't do this. I will do, no, you can get rid of you. We can also get rid of you. This div guy will bring you over here. Even though I think we want to actually, this is the div that has the section in it. Oh, God. Okay. I think this is all stuff that I want to keep in there. Div section, section and div section. There should also be like display flex. What else? We're gonna make this like itself as a flex. 66. I don't know. Whatever, dude. Let me like side. Do I actually want that, or do I want it to be? Is it gonna also compute, like if I say like, maybe like this, maybe I'll say like 1, 3. I can't remember if this computes that or not, like if SAS does. Whatever, we'll find out. Oh man, whatever, let's try it. I'm sure it's fucked. Oh yeah, it's fucked. Derp a derp a derp a derp. I wanted it to come. Oops. Instead of flying around my freaking computer. So that's interesting. Definitely did something. Quit. Okay, so it didn't do that. It didn't. How do you do that again? If you do this in SAS so that it like actually does. Oops. Okay, that did it. Then this is not. That's weird. Well, that definitely is not right. Probably because... How do we do percentages in a not stupid way in this? Oh, I know what you do. You say this, you say percentage. You say that. Derpity derp. Let's try it. Still that. Did I not? Oh, doi. Always gotta remember to rsync. One of these days, it's just gonna be not that. It's just gonna be magic. Okay, so it's getting there. It's almost what I want. That's doing the right thing. Contents, on the other hand, are not doing the right thing. Oh, you know what? That needs to go like that. Maybe I'll do this. Yeah, that's what I want. I didn't want to type all the 3s. Isn't this a bastard freaking CSS file? Yeah, it is. You know what though? Who cares? Freaking generated. Doesn't need to be pretty. Oh my god. Are we done? We're good? Okay. Here, we got that, we got this, okay. We're still overshooting it, I'm not sure why. That's media screen and different group flex. Oh no, I want that to be what do I actually want it to be? That's the question. What about you? Your flex. If we just didn't do that, that's why that is. This should be balanced though. This should not be the difference. Oh, because they're not. Just a second. That's those 45 in. Should be like that, actually. And this. I don't know if I want third, though. Maybe I want quarter. Because it... Okay, so that is... This should be like not that. This should be... That is all over the freaking map. Why are these balanced? Hmm? It's because they need an actual... They need it to say something is right. It's like min width. I don't know, man. It's like 10M. say actually that these things should not. It's kind of interesting actually because like just with like responsive in general, you're thinking more in terms of like how it moves and behaves when you muck with it. That's not right either. Actually, I think I'm just going to say that. 300. Let's just call it whatever, 30. Not 20. Okay. Well, that's definitely something. We appear to have lost. Okay, so you are now the full width of that for some freaking freak show reason. I mean, I guess I could like calc minus 3m or whatever. Does that work? It should. Okay, that's weird. Why would you do that? Oh, it's because is 10m too big? Is it? Calc. That's something. I don't know, man. Oh, and then like 0.5. But you're still not going up there. Get all that? Although I think there should be like gap. Interesting. Oh, no. You. Let's get rid of you. Yes. Because that's fine. But why has it grown? Like, why is this not there? That's what I want to figure out. Or is it just because it's too big? Definitely not. I like the variable font size. That's cute. I thought that was fun. Okay, anyway. I'm trying to get my second wind here. No, actually, I'm just going to do something. I just got a voice message. I'm just going to hear it. What is the meaning of this? Just a second. Fun times. Okay, that's why. So then what is the margin on this thing? It's padding. Box size and border box. Yeah, okay. Border box. I'm losing it. Okay, there we go. So I should actually do variables. Why is that not? Oh, because it did. I just wasn't watching it. Okay. That's too big now, though. Right? Like, so. I need to look up actual CSS variables here. Is that using, okay, declaring custom properties, custom, do I want properties? I want the variable, where? Oh no, okay, yeah. Okay. I should really be using these anyway for things, but why is that not going? So I guess we root pseudo class in here. That's interesting. So would that actually work then? Like, okay, hang on a second. Let's bring it over here. And we should really just take a look at something here. So gap. Okay. Gap. So this is Sass stuff. this, like, these are sassy things. There's some stuff in here is sassy. You don't actually need so much of it anymore. Like, this expression is sass. But if I said, like, calc, and then, like, minus var gap, right? And then we set gap. So we could actually just like do this. Root. And then we can say gap. Gap. Whatever, let's give it a shot. Okay, well that didn't get angry. So let's just, oops. That must be a sass thing. Shit. Let's take a look. This is interesting. We'll just do this then. It's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. It's fine. Slurpin' derpin'. What do we got? Motherfuckers. Okay. No, you didn't. I wonder why that's gotta be you. I suppose that is. Or do I need to go like, I don't know. How do you do that in Saskia? I think it's like this. Okay. Okay, now you go. Oops. Okay. Now that was all just to change it. let's just keep that there. How about wearing just tape? Oops. No? The weird thing about this is this shouldn't actually do that. Yay! That's kind of what I wanted. Kind of. Well, it's fine. What does it look like when it's bigger? Okay. Explain that to me. Yeah, that is weird. Like, why would this not fit? What's your freaking malfunction? Oh, is the damn, did I not? No, box sizing, border box. Do it now. Okay, you're what? What? Love? Okay, you're making me freaking freak here. Oh, it's because there's no div. Duh. Because there's no div. Doi, div, roll. Although I wonder if you can. And then these divs are different. They're different. Reflector. Me, why doesn't it work? Maybe I should also have like the thing that says like training highlight and like a little smaller guy or something like that. Right? Like that would be nice. This though. I think this should fix it. Well, we'll find out actually. We'll just do this here. We'll go like this. Q. And then we say. And then we say. No, U4. Hey. Right? Yeah. Perfect. As perfect as I'm gonna fucking make it. For now. That's what I got. I don't like how high up it is, though. I think it's actually, I wanted to. Maybe one. I also want it to be like, I don't want it to stretch. Yeah, that's what I don't want it to stay right. Like, where are we here? So we just like go through here and take a look at this. Okay. Like I don't. If I say like, just if I just self center, does that do a thing? Just if I self, what's that for? Position. Okay, we don't want it. So align self center. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. What does that look like? Huh. Now what if I do this? Training highlight, and then I say heading, header, head, H group, that's what I wanted. And then I say like H6, training highlight, right? And then I do this. The heck? What you bitching about? Element not allowed in this context. My ass. What? Is there like a rule that says you have to have... Oh, God. Okay. Let's go here. HTML to spec.w. Blah, blah. Is it like you must have a big heading? Page group. You freaking... Zero or... What? Hate you. 0 or more P elements. Y. Followed by 1, H1, 2, blah, blah, blah. Followed by 0 more. Jesus Christ. Why? 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 I swear to God, so much of the freaking, like, the people developing the HTML spec are so goofed sometimes. The stuff that they think is a good idea is just like yeah. I've been doing this for 30 years. Literally made my first website almost exactly 30 years ago. Like it would have been in the winter. It would have been around the cusp of 1995, 1996 that I made my first. Okay, whatever. We'll just freaking P instead of H6. And then we will. Oh, that was the, anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. Let's just take a look at what that looks like. Oh, doy. What did I say? Align self? Did I say align self? Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do. The box says in his border box. Okay. Border radius. 01 rem padding. And then we say H group. P first child. Font weight. Bolder. Font style. Italic. Opacity, I don't know, 0.7. Let's just do that. Do I want it to be an H3? I don't know if I want it to be an H3. I might have to go with an H4. I'll just do that. Why not? Oh, and like margin, none. Where did I go with that? Okay, let's go here. Go there. I don't know if I love that either. One of these days I'm going to write a damn filter that just hooks sass. I mean, that's all, yeah. Of course, this is a little bit goofed now. Jesus. Oh, your box has it. What did I say? Center. I think it's still going to look a little goofed, though. You know what? I want a little colon on there. Just a little baby colon. going to do it again. What did I say? It was his H4 now, not H3. We're going to do it again. Hey. I don't know if I mean, I don't love that, but let's just look at what everything. I think that's just like an incidental that's like that. Even, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's just like the way that those are. Sure, whatever. Does this, do these, okay, no they don't. That needs to get fixed again. Well, that's fun. Yeah, these don't need to be like this. Oh. Try to see what this looks like on a phone. I mean, we can just drag this. Okay. That's probably not the best, but it's not the worst. So a lot of, oh, I should need the mirror. Oh, I should probably actually set that height. Oh, that's no good. This is not right. is that? That's why. Or I mean, this should just not flex, right? Like what if I just said that, like, if this was, like, it's just not flexed. Then the other thing we'll do is, right, okay. So let's get that, double this up again. Type of the other website, main, header, no, article section. So this flexy stuff. Okay, those margins are fine. Right, that goes here. Because there's no point in flexing it if it's too small. Oh, jeez. Whatever. Run it. Ship it. You said, like, I should just make a make file for this. Let's see here. That's what we want. Oh, it's the whole, like, the height of the. Just min height, this guy. We want that there. We don't need that. That's just for, I'm gonna mark that actually. This is for line wraps. So that they're all the same height. That's the idea. Just for fun, let's see what that looks like. Oops. That's dashed. All right. Okay, this last bit. What's your freaking malfunction? Okay, first off, that's not what we wanted to do. I'm gonna say like, or is that what we wanted to do? What if we like, that's weird. That is a weird. Oh, is it just, it's, okay, it's just, it's percent like 2. What do we actually want? I want it to like bat and then bat. That's what I want. $47. What is the actual rule for Flexbox? It's like, no, this is what I want. But what I also want is I want I might actually use, no, wait, let's see. Actually do this. What are our selector combinators again? What bastard things can we do with selectors? Single company, companies. Descendant. Okay, yeah. Subsequent sibling, child. The thing about CSS, it's kind of like, you're like, what? How can I do this like in the way that is the least stupid? Right, because this guy should be like in width, I don't know, 10em. Alright, flex, and then like me. Okay. And then like, I don't know, 2, 1. I don't know how big 10ems is, but like if we just went boop, 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 okay. Right? Do I just want to like not have that and then just have it link? Maybe. Maybe I do. Okay, let's. Now, what did I say? Okay, I said flex. Calc 50% minus var gap 2. Oh. Is that what I said? Sounds like what I said. Min width 15. 15em or 15 rem? 15em. Let's actually look. Where was I? Okay. Got all that. Is there going to be a problem for the other stuff? Doubt it. Maybe. Let's see how much it messes up. I think I have an idea what it's going to do. Oh, it didn't do anything. everything. Look at that. And then I think, yeah. Let's see, that's what I want. Get it? Got it? Good. Look at that. Now, if only I like felt like doing actual graphic design. I feel like maybe almost this doesn't even have to be a like a quarter, right? Like what if we didn't say this was supposed to be a quarter? What if we said this is just like even? What if we said this was flex like 15 RAM? Two or something. And then we went, or even like smaller than that. Because like it doesn't, like, I don't want that to actually, what is that, 5 RAM? Right? And then we like, I don't like that. That's not good. Fine, but what if we said text line initial? Don't like that either. What if I said 6 RAM? What does it look like on the others? Like my reason for thinking this is like, I would actually prefer to have these things have more space. Let's just actually do that for now. Section. What if I actually just, what if? Hey, no. What did I say? Flex 6 RAM 2. What did I, oh? I mean, I think I would also, no, we're fine. We don't actually really care that much. Beautiful. That's exactly what I want. Now I need to do What do I need to do? Where's my brain? Yeah, that's a little goofed. Oh well, I don't care. That needs to get fixed. Surprised it doesn't. I don't know, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I need to figure out a plan for this, though. This is not, no bueno. Like, that should not, this should not happen. That should not happen. I think I'm too lazy to fix that right now, though. Too lazy to fix. It works there. See, you can see the corner. Like, it knows. It knows what it should be doing. It's just, it's not. Not cooperating properly. So there's like more stuff to this that I need to do. Like there's like crap that I need to do like ancillary pages, and I need to do like whatever. I can do some. I need to do more stuff, but this is directionally correct, and it's fine for now. Okay. Okay. All right. This is good for now. I might noodle on this. I don't know if I love like I don't know. I don't actually even know how that's like how that is leveling. Yeah, I'm feeling I will noodle on this eventually. Did I? I did not. Let's just actually look at that again. Let me get that right down. Oh, we don't actually really care, do we? 988. How much do I care? I think the answer is I don't. Okay, let's actually just mess with this a little bit. Okay, what if I said for first of all. Nope. What happens if I take that off? Nope. What is anchor size? Fit content? I don't know. Oh, did that? Oh, no, you did not. Yeah. What if I said fit content important? Does nothing. What happens if we just take off object fit for a second? What if we put that back on? Doesn't do anything. But if we took that, we set that down. Well, that just fits incidentally. And furthermore, and what if we said that? Oh, it's a damn float. That's why. That's why the 100% doesn't work. Yeah, see, this is why I don't want to mess with this right now. Actually, it shouldn't float until... Maybe that's what we should do. We should say it shouldn't float until it's like... See, that makes sense for it to float. You just can't do like a conditional that's like... No, because then it's going to matter like what's in there. This is annoying. This is why I don't want to. I don't. What is revert? Whatever. Okay, yep. I think I officially don't care right now. I think the thing you gotta do is like you start out with like how you want it. Yeah. I mean, you really do have to start out with like how you want it to be in mobile and then go from there. Actually, let's just one more thing. One more thing. Yeah, so that's fine. Though I feel like the top right bottom 4.25 because that just looks jank. Yeah, better. Okay. Let's actually just look at what media queries. Like, what do we have available for media queries? Oh, that's interesting. What is device posture? Oh, weird. For like those folding screens. Update. What is update? Baseline 2023. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, so it's like for e-ink. Okay. I really wish like preferred color scheme, the dark was like luminous versus reflective or something like that. Forced colors, dynamic range, display mode. What do you want for display mode? Grid. That's fun. So I used to have like audio and stuff like that. Well, that's potentially interesting. What was I even looking for? There was something that there was a reason why I started looking at this. Interesting. First contrast. Interesting. Interesting. That could be interesting. There's like, it seems like there's all sorts of bastard things you can do with CSS. Lines to place. Okay. Ow. Oof. Oops. Okay. I always get like a lose. Let's lose myself. Media width. Exact width. Variance minimum maximum. I don't think I can do it with just CSS. And have it flow around like that. That's the thing. Like you actually need a float to do that if I'm not mistaken. CSS flow around image. I think it's always going to be a float. Shapes. Oh, that's interesting. Shape outside. What? Shape. Oh. I don't think that's. I was not aware this was a thing. I'll be damned. I don't know like how much that helps me though. Let's try it. sentence data. Where are we here? Take off the float. Take off the block. Is there any block anywhere else? But why is that? Let's take out the margin. Shape side. Circle. Now, why not? Place the floated elements. Oh, so you do have to float it. Okay. CSS, get float, fit, height. $20.25. Now display flow rate. Content or alter the layout. Semantic float containment. Oops. Okay, let's try a display flow rate. Doesn't fucking work. Doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work. Oh, no, 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 okay, yeah, right. Not you. God, I'm making a mess about this. Okay. Okay. But it has that 0.25. That's fine. Box sizing. Border box. Ba ba ba. Still nothing. What if I said max height? Come on, asshole. Minus. No. Bastard. That's weird. Where's that in anyway? Oh. Okay. First of all. Website name. First child. No. This is the footer in here. Div first effect. This is where all the like display flex and crap goes. Right? Yeah. This stuff can stay. Whatever. Okay. Like, I feel like it should actually be much smaller. Now you gone done broke it. type of Biba website. Okay, min with type of. Isn't this the footer? It's this, or this is the yeah. This is the. We can get rid of that. Well, that works. This is how we do it. Can't freaking find shit. Nope, it's definitely not it. Okay, that's the problem when you can't see article. That's why. Is it the article or not? No, it's not. Okay. Well. We can get rid of this now because we have solved the freaking mystery. I don't know. I can't think right now. Very crabby. Okay. Ugh. Whatever. Oh, no, wait. Okay, so no, that was right, actually. That was right. So now I think... What was that called? Like flow root? Do they even have... Okay. Okay, that's actually what I want. That's fine. That's good enough for now. I can live with this. Let's see if it looks on the old phone. If I turn it over, it's not ideal. Whew. Okay, enough. Okay. Beautiful. And then we'll like actually worry about a real graphic design later. Yeah. Okay. Still works. This didn't work last time. Oh well, let's try to find out if it does. Click buy.